Hi guys! So today's video, umati ka bang lip swatch? And for the first time in a very long time, I feel like magbabalik loob ako sa Colourette. Because the last time na naging super fan ako ng Colourette was during the kasagsagan. During the time na super duper popular yung mga Colourtints. And I was so addicted dun sa mga matte Colourtints nila. Merong fresh variant and merong matte. And I really love the matte ones because pwedeng mag-overline, para ka mag-anak mo si Angelina Jolie, Kaya lang tiniclutter ko na yung mga Colourtints ko. I'm still thinking if I should get them again. Kasi yung dami ko pang lip products, and I don't wanna hoard ng hoard. Tapos may expire lang, hindi ko nagagamit. Parang sayang, diba? But for today, I'm going to swatch yung kanilang mga Colourdrip. So this is the Colourdrip by Colourette. Aminin nyo, gamit na gamit yung salitang drip nowadays. Caroline Lip Drip Tinted Lip Oil. Yung BYS Cosmetics merong Kiss Drip Lip Oil. Yung Squad Cosmetics merong Lip Drip High Shine Lip Gloss. I don't know kung meron pang ibang brand na gumamit ng salitang drip for their glossy lip products. But for Colourette, it's infused now with jojoba oil, hazelnut seed oil, and rose oil. So it's going to keep your lips juicy and moisturized all day. So para daw siyang comfort of a serum, may subtle tint ng lip balm, and may high shine ng isang lip gloss. So combine all of those together, you get the Colourdrip. So ito yung packaging niya pag binili nyo. They have a total of 6 shades, pero I only got 3. Kasi I have 4 more ng Colourbalm. Iba naman to. Kasi ito lip oil, ito ay glossy lip balm. So let's see the difference. Which one is more pasok to your preference? So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Very cutie patootie. Very fat and juicy. Pero may bigat siya, which is really nice. Hindi siya yung parang simpleng plastic lang. Alam niyo yun. And when you open it, also a fat doe foot applicator. My candy. So these are the 3 shades that I got. So the first shade is called Bunny. Bunny is, wow. So this is Bunny. Very subtle nga lang talaga yung color payoff. So this is what it looks like ng one dip lang. And it's enough to cover my entire lips. Yung consistency niya is lip oil, but hindi siya ganun ka-heavy. Hindi siya sing heavy no kung na-try mo na yung first release ng lip oil ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Yun, medyo thick kasi, and I feel like it's good to use like at night para paggising mo sa umaga, really well moisturized yung lips mo. But this one, it's more lightweight. It's lip oil, lip gloss feels. Pag may naririnig kayong yung aking electric fan ulit yun. But yeah, this is Bunny on my lips. Ganda. It's like nakaka-fresh lang. Perfect pang everyday. Next shade I have is called Spice. Bunny is a parang nude, subtle nude mauve pink. Spice is the red entry. So this is 1 coat. I want to try 2 coats. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka shiny kaya niyong i-deliver. This is 2 coats. Oh, buildable yung color. Kung gusto mo lang ng subtle hint of red, just do 1 layer and yung subtle gloss lang. But if you want to make your lips plumpier, juicier, and if you want additional tint, ayan, 2 coats. So yeah, this is Spice. Does it leave a stain? No, I don't think so. And the last shade of the Colourdrip that I got is called Naughty. Ew, very dark. So, itong difference ng 3 shades. Oh my god, you guys. Dahil ba Colourdrip siya, you have to be careful kasi... Okay, nagdo-drip nga siya. So, ingatan nyong hindi matumba. Wait, lilisin ko muna. Lasang Skittles. Parang iba-iba sila ng flavor, guys. So, this is 1 coat ng Naughty. And it's really deep. Pwede rin siyang gamitin pang nighttime if you're gonna go out. Actually, lahat naman pwede mong gamitin pang nighttime or daytime. Parang yung vibe ba? Alam mo yun. So, it's a purple, magenta, na may parang brown undertone. Teka, magto 2 layers ako. So, this is 2 coats ng Naughty. And it's really naughty. It's sexy, it's vampy, but it's not heavy looking. Hindi ka mukhang evil queen. And I like it. I really do. Okay, so those are the 3 Colourdrips that I got. Now I'm going to proceed with the Colourbalms. Okay, so sa Colourbalms naman, meron daw siyang Candelilla wax, a vegan and cruelty-free wax. So it's a nourishing protective barrier. So meron ding vitamin E to help reduce yung lip lines, soothe dry and chapped lips. Tapos sabi dito, leak-proof bottle na daw siya. Bakit sa Colourdrip hindi leak-proof? Hindi, kasi parang yung lip oil naman kasi mas malabnaw eh, no? Okay. So, ang dami nilang shades. They have like 12 shades. Pero, itong 4 lang ang kinuha ko. Kasi gusto ko lang siyang itry. And itong 4, yung parang nakapukaw ng aking atensyon. So, this is the packaging. Gandara. Hindi rin siya plastic, you know. It's a glass. So, shala-shala naman siya. Doe foot applicator is also fat and juicy. Pero, feeling ko sakit to ng lahat ng mga glosses, mga lip oil na merong parang stopper or something sa loob. May tendency na pag ganun mo, may titilamsik na ganun. So, always be careful. Hindi lang dito sa Colourette, but sa lahat ng mga lip oils and lip glosses, andun sa dulo yung product eh. So, kung medyo intense ka mag-pull out ng applicator, asahan mo na may tendency na mag-chu-chu-chu-chu-chu, ganun. So, the first shade is called Sangria. So, this is Sangria, super pigmented. Okay, unang difference niya agad kay Colourdrip is the pigment. The opacity. This has like 90%, 80-90% opacity. Baka nga 100% pa eh. Kasi parang covered naman. Yeah, na-cover naman yung entire lips ka. Dito sa taas, bawas na. So, ibig sabihin, buildable yung pigment. Pero dahil a little goes a long way. This is just one coat. So, Sangria is a classic pink shade. Pero, I feel like it's warm tone. Oo, warm tone. Hindi siya yung parang blue-tone pink. It's matingkad. And it's so summery, fresh, and bright. So yeah, this is Sangria. Next shade is called Salsa. At ito ang difference niya kay Sangria. It's a bright red pop of color. Also, asahan nyo. Depende sa kung gaano karaming product ang gusto nyo. Magtataktak at magtataktak kayo dito sa dulo. Kung gusto nyo ganyan lang, tapos spread, pwede naman. Light and fresh lip balm effect. Pero kung gusto nyo gamitin talaga siya as a gloss, ayan siya. My God! It is so glossy. Pero, hindi ka naman magbumukhang magmamantika. Well, unless 3 coats ka. Pero nakaka-fresh pa rin naman siya. Pero this one is still nice for daytime. Sa malayo pa lang, makikita na yung lips mo. Na it's poppin', it's juicy. And I feel like marami itong babagayan na skin tone and undertone. So yeah, this is Salsa. Wala naman siyang lasa. Okay, next shade natin. Alam mo sa picture, ang bongga nitong Tropic and Tipsy. But now that I'm seeing it in person, itong Tipsy, parang papaisip ako sa mga decision ko sa buhay. Ano? Unahin natin itong si Tipsy. Die! Charot. I feel like I made a good decision. Guys, this is chocolate red. I love it. That's like a perfect date night shade. You look sweet, but you also look sexy. Okay, basically, it's red brown. So, chocolate red. But it's so nice. Marami tayong babagayan ng skin tone and undertone. And I feel like parang tiny coat of this, it's going to look like your natural lips. So yeah, this is Tipsy. Highly recommend that you get this. And the last shade that I have is called Tropic. Sa photo, it's like a deep red. Is it? Oh, look at that. That's Tropic. Okay, happy naman ako sa mga shades na nakuha ko. Ayan, pag very tiny amount and then pucker, you get like a natural lip color. Pero syempre, tutodo natin to the full potential ang application. So, si Tropic, nasa family pa rin siya ng red. Sa skin tone ko ha. Red pa rin siya, pero meron siyang magenta undertone. So, depende sa skin tone mo kung mas aangat ba yung red part or yung magenta part. But sa malayo, it's still gonna look like red. Pero sa malapitan, saka mo lang masisipat na, ooh, it's not like pure classic regal red. It has a little bit of magenta in it. So that is Tropic. So, final looks of 4 shades na nakuha ko. But Colourdrip or Colourbalm will depend on the intensity of pigment that you want. If you want it to be like a liquid lipstick and lip gloss in one, go for the Colourbalm. Kasi yung pigment niya is like 80 to 90% depende on the shade that you get and depende sa build-up na gagawin mo. Si Colourdrip, buildable din naman yung pigment niya. Mas sheer kasi siya kesa kay Colourbalm. So kung ayaw mo ng bonggang-bonggang pigment, you just want something that will moisturize, nourish your lips with added tint, go for the Colourdrip. Yeah, those are my 2 cents regarding the Colourdrip and the Colourbalm. Will I get more shades ng Colourdrip and Colourbalm? Honestly, nag-enjoy ako sa application and all. I love the product itself, but I don't think I'll be getting more because guys, I have so many glosses pa na I rarely use. Bumili na ako ng bagong lalagyan because may mga i-add akong new glosses. Over here naman, yung mga matte products, mga liquid lipsticks, mga lip mousses. Ayan. Tapos, babe, ang dami ko pang products, babe, hindi pa nagagawa ng video, babe. So, I hope you understand. I'm in my era na I really do want to help you guys pick the right shade for you. Gusto kong i-showcase sa inyo yung mga shades. But I also don't want to hoard anymore na mga products na hindi ko naman magagamit, tapos mag-expire lang. Well, I do give some to my family and friends, but sometimes not all of them are like keen to accepting products na nabuksan na, or like nagamit na, or na-swatch na. Alam mo yun? So, parang nakakahiya tuloy magbigay. So, I'll try to showcase as many shades as possible sa bawat products. Pero asahan nyo, hindi na ako tulad ng dati na, oh, I will get all the shades. Because I swear you guys, ang dami-dami kong nasasayang na pera, pero hindi ko naman nagagamit yung mga products. Like, nag-expire lang siya. Pag nilagay ko na siya doon sa drawers ko, I forget about it. Kasi alam mo yung tuloy-tuloy yung pagdating ng mga bagong products. At sana ganun ka rin. Don't buy products for the sake of just, you know, collecting them. Buy products that you're really crazy about. Like, you know na you're going to use every day, na uubusin mo talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Ate Bea ako sa part na yun. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!